Well, hello and welcome to Let Africa Think. I am Prof. K, and today we're going to look at how the West extract money from Africa without necessarily investing in that continent. We have said Africa is rich in potential mineral wealth, skilled workers, booming new businesses, and biodiversity. And so, by all accounts, the people in Africa should thrive. The economies of these nations in Africa should thrive. Yet, many people in that continent live in poverty. And as you can see from this map here, almost 162 billion comes to the continent. And those are in the form of remittances, loans, and grants, and so forth. Yet, more than 200 billion goes out of the continent almost every year. These are resources that could have been used for other purposes. There are ways that the rest of the world extract resources from this continent. For example, trade policies, the exportation of unprocessed agricultural goods that are exported and then reprocessed in other countries. The fact that some corporations also take every penny that they earn and they take it out without even reinvesting into the continent. There are so many ways that the West and other countries extract money from this continent. Yet, Africans don't seem to think. If we begin to think, if we begin to realize that we have so much, I believe that we can use these resources that we have and use that, turn it around to prosper the various economies of the African continent. 162 billion comes in, and almost 200 plus billion go out. And for every year, more than 40 billion is extracted out of that particular continent. Africa must think, and as we begin to think, we can use our own resources to solve some of the problems of this continent. I am Prof. K. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.